Wonderful introduction, and we thank each one of you to come here and cover this event. We thank Mr. Shenik and Ruchi, both, and mostly the Sutradhar, Ganesh Guru, the man, the magician with the Midas touch, the way he, turned around this event. That was really, really wonderful. I think this concept of 6 yard is so brilliant, and especially in today's time and era, where we are seeing that so many craftsmen, artisans are losing their livelihoods. If all the women of our country just do a little shift in the wardrobe percentage and have at least 30% of the wardrobe in saris and ethnic wear, there will be so much of prosperity and opportunities for our craftsmen and artisans. And this is the USP of our country, this kind of an attire. So I think the concept which Ganesh has been working for so many years and giving prominence to 6 yard is really, really commendable. Especially when we talk about fashion, it's mostly the westernized. So Ganesh, a big thank you. The way you are, projecting the 6 yard and glamorizing it and bringing it in the mainstream. And we are more than happy as a mall to partner such concepts, which has a huge relevance to the society and to make the Indian woman or any woman look more beautiful in the 6 yard. Thank you so much once again.
And the first show with what we did in Express Avenue about 3 years back, that was also a hit for us also. So, but unfortunate that we are not able to take part this time, but still we are with him always. I wish him all the best.
To everyone, so I would like to first of all thank Ganesh Gurgan. I know Ganesh from almost like 7 to 8 years, and I always appreciate him, the way the fashion sense and everything. And then definitely the second thanks to Mr. Manish, who gave us opportunity to Ganesh Gurgan to use this platform like the Express Avenue for the fashion show, where all the female will definitely look at it, and definitely the fashion trend in Chennai is growing a lot, and it has to grow even more. So I'll be the very happy person because I really want fashion to be in Chennai. And yes, thank you all. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Madam Kavita Singhania, Director Express Avenue Mall, and my panel members who have come on my behest, my invitation. I would like to thank Mr. Shenik Nahar sir, and Shenji, very thank you. He's actually a very busy person. He looks very simple. And they were associated with us earlier during our men's trends. They also have a brand called His Studio, and they have taken part during men's trends, and JJ Diamonds have taken part in 6 yard couture. And this year, unfortunately, I had gone to them a little late, and they've already committed to some other fair, so they are not in town, so that's why they're not with us this time. And I'd like to thank Mr. Manish Khannaji. I don't think without him the 6 yard couture is possible here this time. Thank you so much for all your support. And Ruchi, and she's a model, fashion blogger, yoga guru, traveler, you can tell anything. And she's a sensation in Insta. She's got like about 1,30,000 people following her on Insta. So thank you, Ruchi, for coming for the show. And then I would like to thank all my associates and sponsors. Without them, my shows are not complete. So PVR, my multiplex partner, and Radio Fever, my radio partner, Volt, my luxury hair salon, and digital marketing, Coprans, and Design Stacks. And I would also like to thank my participants of this year, Photos, IDT, Institute of Design and Technology, AFTT, and Marks and Spencer, and hope I am not missing out, and Phineas, I hope that's it, right? I'm doing. And I would also like to thank my hospitality partner, which is E Hotels and the restaurant Wow and Orange Walk and Lobo. And thank you so much. And most important now for all, I'd like to thank Synchronized Events, Mr. Venkatesh Ramachandran. He has been part of my support for all the 4 seasons. And hopefully with all the blessings and support, I'm looking, I see that the show is going to be much bigger success than before. And thank you so much. And MC. She is not a MC, she is actually the show manager. So he is helping over in MC work. And Mr. Reddy, thank you so much. And she's also been very supportive to me. And Mr. Ben, I think she wanted to tell, okay, we have someone from IDT. She will talk something regarding things. And yes, my photography partner, Mr. Resham.
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ganesh. We are so happy to be part of this ramp culture. I'm from IDT. This is Syed Rahma. And we are started in Gujarat, Surat. Last 10 years, the institute is there in Surat. And this is the first Metro City branch. We started in Chennai now. And we encourage students who are really passionate towards fashion can join us to create the trend. And we are so happy to be a part of this show. Thank you.
So every year we have new designers coming up, new collections. So seasonal, adellame a mix up. We'll have like wedding collections, formal collections, suits, sherwanis. So on the Mary men's section, women again saris. Saris again can be traditional saris, designer saris. So allame. So in that we have this Mr. Asif Merchant. He's coming from Bombay. He's a celebrity designer. He is someone who does garments for people like Priyanka Chopra, Katrina Kaif, and the Mary. So he's showing his collection here. So basically market next in our polo reveal model it's all over the country. We can say the best in the country. See, I'm not into more of a showstopper concept. I give importance only to garments. So because I've seen all this showstopper thing is very hyped. And next day I see all the media people only showcasing showstopper. You don't show the garment or the jewelry. So it is not serving my purpose. So I'm not taking them. Even if they come, I don't give them, I don't highlight them. So that's about it. But then we have had showstoppers in previously. We had some film stars walking on the show. Sir? Yeah. So and then he had walked for Sir and his brand. And we also had Ashok Selvan, again for his brand. And then we had Inia. And we even had someone like Aisha, Rajesh, when they're showing interest. But then we went ahead with our show. So that's about the thing. So basically new collections. On Friday, 23rd is the show. And moreover, we also have, we also promote a regional garment. It is fashion and not only the one which you see in FTV or not like that. When even VST shirt is also fashion. So sari, the reason why we have come up with this concept is sari is a fashion which we have given the world. And it has been there for almost 5,000 years. So, and it is still in the market, the largest selling attire in market. So the show, that's how it all started. So that's how it started. Every annually new designs, new collections. Every person so you need something new. So this is all about.
நாங்கள் சேர்ந்து பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. இந்த வருஷம் தான் எங்களால் வர முடியல, பட் 2 வருஷமாக நாங்கள் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்குறோம். ஜேஜே டைமண்ட்ஸ் ஸ்ரீநகரில் இருக்குது ஜுவல்லரி மார்ட். ஜேஜே டைமண்ட்ஸ் பார்த்திங்கன்னா டைமண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கோல்டு ஜுவல்லரி, டெம்பிள், ஆன்டிக் எல்லாமே டீல் பண்ணுறோம். ஜடாவ் போல்கி இப்போ இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். அண்ட் ஹி ஸ்டுடியோ பார்த்திங்கன்னா மென்ஸ் புட்டிக் எல்லாம் லீடிங் ஸ்டார்ஸுக்கு நாங்கள் பண்ணிட்டு தான் இருக்கிறோம். ஸோ அதை வச்சுட்டு இங்கே பண்ணலான்ட்டு இருந்தோம். பட் இந்த வருஷம் கொஞ்சம் ப்ரீ ஆக்குபைடாக இருக்கிறதுனால வர முடியல. எப்பவுமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கணேஷோட ஷோஸ் ஆர் ஆல்வேஸ் ராக்கிங். 6 Adcuted இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த பெஸ்ட் ஃபேஷன் ட்ரெண்ட் செட் பண்ணுறவங்க. இந்த வருஷம் என்ன இருக்குன்றது நானும் அவ்வளோமா வரப்போகிறேன் 23rd. ஸோ ஐ ரிக்வெஸ்ட் எவ்ரி ஒன் டு ஜாயின் அட் EA அண்ட் என்ஜாய் த ஷோ. தேங்க்யூ.
ஸோ இட்ஸ் 6 Yard குத்தூர் அண்ட் மென்ஸ் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இது நம்மளோட 4th சீசன். இது 6 Yard வந்து ஜுவல்லரி அண்ட் சாரி ஷோ. ஸோ சாரி நம்ம ஊரை சேர்ந்த விஷயம், அதனால தான் நம்ம அந்த கான்செப்ட் அப்படி தான் உருவாகியிருக்கு. ஸோ 6 Yard மென்ஸ் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து சவுத் இந்தியாவிலே ஒரே ஷோ தான், வருஷம் பண்ணுற ஒரே ஷோ தான். ஸோ இதில் வந்து நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மார்க்ஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்பென்சர் ஆனுவலாக நம்ம கூட பார்ட்னராக இருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஈவெண்ட்டு தான். ஈவெண்ட்டு இட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ் எ வெரி கிராண்ட் வே. அதாவது இந்த மாதிரி மெட்ராஸில் வேறு எந்த ஷோவும் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. ஏன்னா வி இன்வெஸ்ட் லாட் ஆஃப் மனி இந்த ஷோ. இப்போ மை கம்பெனி இஸ் நாட் ஈவென்ட் கம்பெனி. நம்ம வந்து இது வந்து ஒரு ஃபேஷனுக்காக மட்டுமே பண்ணுற ஷோ. இது ரெண்டுமே அப்படி தான் பண்ணுறோம். இந்த வருஷம் ஏட்ரிஎம் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் அவென்யூவோட சேர்ந்து பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ இட்ஸ் ஆன் த 23rd 7 o'clock. ஸோ வி ஹேவ் சம் டாப் டிசைனர்ஸ் டேக்கிங் பார்ட் இன் த ஷோ, ஈவன் ரீட்டைலர்ஸ். ஸோ பெரிய டிசைன் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் எக்ஸிபிட் ஆகும் இங்கே. மாடல்ஸும் டாப் லெவலில் இருப்பாங்க. ஸோ தட்ஸ் அபவுட் இட். எல்லாம் வாங்க, வந்து கவர் பண்ணுங்கள். ப்ரமோட் ஃபேஷன், சென்னை ஃபேஷன். Thank you.
I'm Prince Finaz. I'm Chennai-based designer. So I'm going to showcase my collection on both men's. I'm doing the men's trend as well as the 6 Yard. So I'm so happy and please do come and watch and enjoy the show. Thank you.
We are a new institute. We are an institute which is based in Gujarat, and we have just opened a new center in Chennai. This is the first center in a metro city, and this is teaching students basically skill-based learning on fashion. So any student who is passionate about fashion and wants to join this industry can join this institute, and we'll teach them skill-based learning. So it's just a part-time course for 2 hours a day, and we are also recognized by Ministry of Skill Development. It's a central government recognition which they get, and so it's a great future for youngsters.
We are here to do the best service for students, and she is taking care of everything. She is director of IDT Chennai. We are here to give the best service to the students.
And we are located in Chetpet, Harrington Road.
And we are here only because through one Mr. Ben Philip. So thanks to Mr. Ben Philip, and thanks Mr. Mohan, who is supporting us for everything. Thank you.
Hello Chennai, hello everyone out here. So Ganesh 6 Yard is going to be one of the amazing show in Chennai, because last year I was being the part of Ganesh show with the Jules. I was a main showstopper over there. And this time the 6 Yard is going to be even more amazing, because I'm traveling. So yeah, the other models, Ganesh is going to hire from every part of India, from Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, even Chennai girls will be there. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing show. And I want all the Chennaites to drop in and just to have a look of the show, because it's a turning to the fashion. Yes, that's what I can say. Ganesh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are really glad to be partnered with 6 Yard Culture and Men's Trends. We are synchronized, we are continuously with this particular effort. And 4th season, we are really glad, and we are looking forward to the maximum best in the industry. Thanks a lot.